There's like a spider on your vest.
Help me.
Zach, it is on your arm. Oh my god.
Help me.
The only way to get the spiders off you will be to jump in or paddle over there.
Where is it at? Just tell me.
It's on you.
Where?
It's on your pants!
Get off!
Zach, go! Go! Oh no! Zach! That's right! Zach, hurry, go!
Get away,
Go! You can get out from here. Zach, just jump out.
I don't want to risk my game!
Ow! Run!